Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here on a Dodge Dart, guys, and if you're trying to find where the fuse, guys, for the oxygen sensors is located on your Dodge Dart, as you know, you have heaters integrated in the oxygen sensors and they're activated the first few minutes when the engine is cold. We'll explain, guys, where to find that fuse. Now there are two possibilities: you may have this fuse or you may not, and we'll explain both of them. It really depends on the configuration, year, model, emissions, all that stuff. Quick introduction, guys. Every car we get at the shop, including this Dodge Dart, we make at least 200 videos. Why we do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you want to save even more money, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can see where you can buy car parts and tools for a super good price and fast shipping. So first, let me, guys, open the hood and I'll show you, okay, what we need to do next. Support it. Okay, we have a 2015, guys, model 2.4 GT Dodge Dart. This is a spare engine. We've done quite a few engine replacements on those things, so we've worked on them some, so we decided to make a few videos, guys, and show you how to fix things in the way as well, so that way you will, guys, have the opportunity to fix the vehicle on your own. Now, oxygen sensors, okay, you have two of them. Okay, check it out now. Two oxygen sensors. Okay, one is down there, downstream, one is up here, upstream, guys. Downstream and upstream oxygen sensors. Where the fuse is now. Now, the first possibility is, like, let me show you now. Open the fuse box next to the car battery, press in here, pull up, come out, forward, and on the back side of the fuses, on the fuse cover, you have the fuses printed. The one with T is relays, the one with the F is fuses, guys. The fuse that we need to check now, some of you may have that one, some of you may not. It's fuse number 87, F87. So if you need to buy replacement fuses, guys, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. You can get them for a super good price. So let me go ahead, grab, okay, this is fuse number 87, right here. I will grab it. Okay, and pull it out. This is the fuse. I will get a replacement one now, guys. Okay, and we'll install it. That's the fuse. Now, if you're, guys, missing that fuse, okay, what are the other possibilities? That, okay, fuse, if it's missing, check all the fuses that control the engine control module, also known as engine computer, ECM, engine control module, or ECU. This is your engine computer. You will have, guys, multiple fuses. We have the video on the channel, I think either 4 or 5 fuses, guys, and each of those fuses is actually for the engine computer, for fuel injectors, for ignition coils, and one of those will be actually for the oxygen sensors, heaters as well, guys. So you need to check that. In addition, they're controlled by the engine ECU. So if you don't have that fuse, guys, check all other fuses that control the engine computer, engine management. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.